Allah, who created the human being, knows that the human being has fears, has anxieties, develops phobias in life, can go into a depressive state, goes through confusion and doubts. So in order to remedy that, Allah introduces Himself to us in these different names that we can identify with. Like Al-Mu'min, the grantor of security, calmness, peace and confidence. And how many phobias and fears this modern day age has among people. There are over 500 different phobias now named among people. Phobias of all different sorts. Some things can't explain. People have phobias of height, people have phobias of confined spaces, phobias of night, phobias of day, phobias of animals, phobias of social interactions, phobias upon phobias of everything. People go on antidepressants more than any other age that we've known as far as history of psychology is concerned. We have more psychologists and therapists than ever before. Depression and anxiety is at its highest these days. And we are so in need of our hearts to find security and comfort. And Allah tells us, I am Al-Mu'min. Al-Mu'min, the grantor of security and safety, the refuge for security, the refuge for the asylum seeker, the refuge for the person who is scared, the refuge for the person who has phobias, the refuge for the person who is frightened of anything, threatened, scared. Al-Mu'min,